Improve and streamline your sales order workflow with Unleashed and Mintsoft WMS. Add lines and costs to your sales order and save as placed. Next, create the relevant shipment, and once you've marked this as placed, it'll flow through to the WMS where it can be printed, picked, and packed. In Mintsoft WMS, your shipment will arrive in the new status. You'll need to change this to printed or packed in order to action the job further. Progress to the Pick Order menu when you are with the physical goods, and move on to packing when ready. Ensure the correct courier service is assigned to the shipment. Generate courier labels and pack slips and hit Dispatch here when ready. Mintsoft WMS allows you to set up sophisticated shipping rules that auto-assign couriers to orders. When the job is actioned, it'll flow back to Unleashed as dispatched, and the status and relevant fields will be updated accordingly.